Hello doctor, my name is Renita Madhaviran and my matric number is 272611. I would like to present about the TikTok case study. Firstly, I will continue with the executive summary. TikTok is a social networking site for making and sharing as well as live broadcasting. TikTok has distinguished itself in the global market as a leader in mobile socialization. However, face local competition and government restriction as lead barrier to its worldwide progress. The decision criteria are analyzed using the pestle analysis model and various alternative solutions are suggested for TikTok. With this, comment on secure data is recommended as it could possibly help TikTok to improve in the international market. And then the statement of problem is the TikTok might fail to improve in the international market if they will banned continuously by other countries like India. Government restriction cannot be circumvented and this mistrust will only grow if TikTok will not continue to be dedicated to user data protection and cybersecurity. Let's discuss the causes of problem. First is fierce local competition. Similar to the TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube have adopted the idea of short videos or reels on their own platform. Unlike TikTok, this app have maintained the original application while adding the capability of short video clip. However, this has had influence on TikTok business, which is now rarely competing with this app. Second is government restriction. TikTok explosive growth and access to the personal data of billions of users has made the government across the world concerned about the security or privacy of its citizens. This is because the Chinese internet space is strictly controlled by its government while the Chinese owned startups have been increasingly global. And this disrupt deeper as newer and complex political scenario emerge between the countries. Furthermore, the decision criteria are analyzed using the pestle analysis model. From the perspective of political, TikTok must restructure the business to avoid the suspense around the world about the Chinese operation. In economy, they are able to sustain its growth in competitive market such as Instagram and Snapchat. In social, they increase the privacy consciousness and engage public expectation for the corporate social responsiveness. In technology, must keep up with international law and regulation regarding the social media. Environment, they must emphasis to spread climate change awareness through the TikTok videos. And last but not least, in legal, they must ensure the data privacy and security of the border and cyberspace. Therefore, there are two alternative solutions are recommended for the TikTok issue. First is commit on secure data of user. Customer data should be secure and kept privately. TikTok must be keeping away the user data from accessing by the Chinese government. By this, the user will feel safer to use the platform and the founder also will be more trusted. At the same time, this strategy will affect negatively in TikTok profit. The next strategy is introduce new innovative feature. Competition is always a great source of innovation. It keeps a company thinking of new idea to offer users so that they can stay in competition with their competition. By this, it will help to attract more new users and also increase the revenue. At the same time, it incurs additional costs and also difficult to handle various programs at one device. Recommended solution is it must be committed to protecting the privacy and security of their community. They have to invest in data security as part of their broader effort to protect the user information in order to respond to ban that will ease the concern of the government as well as improve the TikTok public image. Lastly, there are three ways in order to secure the data. Firstly, comply with the international requirement to ensure user security. Following all the requirements will help TikTok be at the same level of its competitors in regarding to the data security, so that the US government cannot be banned it and it will be harder for competitors to take TikTok place in the market as it is one of the most important current social media. The second is introduce stricter privacy rules for the user. All the registered users must have their account set to private by default. This means that those profiles will not be accessible to anyone that has not been explicitly approved. And then last one is collaborate with regulator and independent specialists. TikTok must be working with leading global security firms to validate their progress and ensure whether the TikTok comply with global recognized security control standard. It will help to increase the user confidence that their data and privacy are protected. That's all from me. Thank you.